In a shocking turn of events, a high-profile political figure is accused of attempted murder. Masvingo Mayor Colin Maboke, linked to Tendai BITI, faces an accusation from Delight Mandebvu, the ZANU-PF Masvingo Provincial Youth Chairperson. This startling allegation follows an automobile incident on the Masvingo Mutare Highway in early March 2024. Mandebvu, currently embroiled in his own legal battles, including 3 counts of assault and a charge of negligent driving, brought forth this attempted murder allegation only upon receipt of his court summons. He claims that following a roadside altercation, Maboke tried to run him over, resulting in a broken leg. The case grows more complex as reports suggest that Mandebvu was pursuing Maboke's vehicle when the initial collision occurred. It is alleged that Mandebvu assaulted Maboke, his wife, and a relative after forcing their vehicle to a halt. During this skirmish, another vehicle struck Mandebvu, causing his injuries. Mandebvu's past is not without blemish, with previous legal issues including stock theft and disorderly conduct. His credibility is now under intense scrutiny, particularly as this incident is but one in a string of controversial situations involving ZANU-PF officials. The Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission has expressed concern over an increasing trend of similar cases. It has drawn attention to the Gutu police station, where those who lodge complaints against ZANU-PF often find themselves arrested and accused. As the legal proceedings unfold, the community watches with bated breath, given the high-profile nature of the accusations and the individuals involved. The case is set to be heard in court next Wednesday, promising further developments in this contentious matter. To sum up, in a surprising twist, a high-profile political figure faces an attempted murder accusation. The accuser, himself facing legal issues, alleges that the mayor tried to run him over following a roadside altercation. Amidst the unfolding legal proceedings and growing community interest, the case is set to be heard next week, promising more developments in this controversial matter.